Happy birthday to you. Today is my birthday eve. So we are here to celebrate. We're going to Peter's Cafe. Look at the floor. So romantic. Green salad. Wow. I you can't really see it.
Oh, the onion nice.
Happy birthday to you, to my Maureen. Happy birthday to you. Flourless orange cake. Yeah. Comes with ice cream.
Can I take together with the birthday girl?
Okay. I did. It's a video already. Why your face? Good morning everybody, today is the 21st of December and it is my 26th birthday. So today's a Friday but I'm off from work because I hate working, so there's no way I'm gonna do that on my birthday. So I'm up, took a shower, it's probably close to 9 a.m. I actually woke up at 7 but I just lazed in bed. But yeah, I took a shower, put on a mask, and as usual, because today is a weekday, everyone else is working, so I am heading out myself later on again, and I am going art jamming again. Initially I was like, I don't really want to do the same thing again, but I didn't know what else to do, so I just booked it, and after I booked it I got very excited about it. So now I am super excited to go art jamming. It's in the afternoon though, so I do have quite a lot of time, so I am going to record a song because a subscriber or a viewer actually PM me on PM me on Instagram, and she asked if we can collab a song. So it took a while, but we are settled with this Red Velvet song. It's called So Good and it's from their RBB album as well. So I really like that song, so I'm very excited to record it. I'm gonna do it later, otherwise I wouldn't have time to record it. So yeah, the plan for today is I'm going to record the song, and then I'm going to head out for my art jamming session, and then I'm gonna meet my family for my family dinner, and that's it. That is my 26th birthday. Okay, so I want to share with you guys what I got in this bag. This is a skincare brand. My friend, she works in this company, and so she decided to give me 6 products. So I want to share with you guys. You can find this brand on Facebook and I believe on Instagram. So I want to show you guys the things that she gave me because I want to start using them. I'm very excited to use them. Also because I have finished my moisturizer, the one from Some By Me, and so I want to start a new routine. My acne condition has improved a lot, so I think it's time to try out something new. So these are the products that she decided to give me. As you can see, there are numbers on it, so it's kind of like the steps, I believe. I am going to review them, but for now I'm just going to show you what she gave me. So the first item, the first product, is a cleansing mousse. So basically a cleanser, and it's deep cleansing, which is good. Apparently removes makeup as well, which is good. I love deep cleansing cleansers, so excited to use this. And it's a mousse, so I'm not sure how it's gonna be. Yeah, maybe I should open it. Oh, so it's kind of like those foamy, yeah, like foamy cleanser thing. I do like foamy cleansers. I do have a few that I've finished. So for step 2, we have a brightening mist. I believe this is kind of like a toner, but I'm excited because it's a mist, which means I guess you just pat it in. I'm sorry, there's like a plane or something flying past, which is why it's so noisy. But yeah, this is the product. So for step 3, we have these 2 boosters. Obviously you can just use one, but she gave me 2. So this one is for moisturizing. It says Moisture Lock Booster, and this one is for blemishes because it says blemish clear. I am very excited about this one because, you know, I have problematic skin and I've never used a booster before, and it's very light. Feels like there's almost nothing in here. It's very small, but I assume you will only need a little bit of product. I'm not sure what the product is like is it liquidy or what, but it has a pretty interesting packaging. Like, look, it's like clear. I mean, I've never really seen packaging like that before, but I like it. I like the packaging. And then for step 4, finally, we have our moisturizer. Yeah, so reading the labels, I assume this is for moisturizing and this is for problematic skin. So yeah, I'm very excited about this one. But yeah, it's important to moisturize your skin and make sure that your skin has enough moisture if you have oily skin as well. So I do like a good moisturizer because it's very important for anti-aging as well. Let me just see how this one looks like. I am most excited to try the moisturizer just because I finished mine. Oh, it's a pretty big tub and I like how it feels. But yeah, this is how it looks like. I might start using the products later on when I wash this mask out. But yeah, for now I think I am going to start edit my December vlog because I can't record with this mask on my face. So I'm just going to start editing and hopefully it will be done. Hi everybody, I am running late. And so this is my outfit for today. I just got this yellow polka dot dress. I'm bringing this bag again. I'm just going to wear sneakers. So I got my socks here, got sunglasses, and because I'm late, I booked a Grab and it's coming, so I need to run out of the house right now.
It's from your own reference, is it?
Yeah, like flowers beneath the background.
Is this your first time you're painting or no?
Second round.
Nice. Oh, yeah, I see that you're quite fast in deciding what to do. Yeah.
Wow. Thanks for booking this room for me.
Wow. I thought that one is a tea water. This is a recording.
Wow.
Inside your poison. Screaming.
Which one you want?
Anything. Never pour the sauce.
Dip lah. Three.
Three. I need.
Yeah.
Many ah. Happy birthday to you,
Me.
happy birthday to you,
Me.
happy birthday to Maureen, happy birthday to you.
1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Daddy.
Sign is from Daddy.
Oh, tackle.
Do for you and then you say, I won't do. Walao.
Okay. Okay, mana agbukas pa agtungtong tama.
Report.
At least
Unicorn sleep.
Why?
It's the same. It's for yourself. It's for
No
yourself.
lah.
But it feels exactly the same.
Interesting lah. Yes, for my, for me. Yeah.
It's for you.
Yeah. Because how many points? Huh? How many points? Huh?
No, not so nice. I'll take a photo.
Oh, I never open before one. Only this one I see inside.